All right. Oop. Throttle's on. Let's see.
Your motor does not stop.
Nope. Oh, that'd be great. Like, I don't need it to be special. It's just like
Dig them out, but
once it gets rolling a bit, then it just stops squeaking, and I can go. But I got the little camera.
head tracker.
Yeah. So let's see. Woo. What's up? Oh, I got a little beeper on it.
Basically a little horn.
Yeah, that was the goal. But just whee. Let's see how far, because I can see now that I'm using the digital system. I can see the megabits per second link quality on screen. So I'm like, I'm still at 50 out of 50, still 50. Like,
so you can kind of gauge how far you can go before it's going to start to cut out.
Right. Plus it goes for so long. Like, I'm still at 49, 50.
Oh yeah, you got quite a bit yet.
Yep. I was gonna drive over to this little diamond because it's nicer than the grass. There we go. Smooth. Let's see. Because I was trying to find a little circuit that I could drive around.
Do some sidewalk running, right?
Yeah. Let me see. Is there anybody know? Let's see. Yeah, here's sidewalk. Woo! The trees might cause some breakup though.
Oh, will they interfere with the signal?
Oh yeah. Especially when it's denser, like that little foresty area.
Yeah.
Like a single tree is no big deal, but when it starts kind of adding up.
It's slightly dense right there.
Yeah. It's like I wanted to add onto this car so I can just drive around stuff and be like, oh, I'm my little goal area. Also, just looking around and seeing everything while it's driving is really cool. Very picturesque right now.
Let me get the timber going and see if you can chase me.
Okay. Yeah, and I have lots of battery on this. Like 20 minutes easy. Yeah, especially when I'm just kind of putzing. Ball.
I'm a little bummed out about the Cessna. I was looking forward to flying that.
Yeah, it's odd, but it's like I've experienced that same annoyingness before.
Very odd.
Probably get the closest up shot of you taking off.
Yeah.
So I could just sit right behind.
Just sit right behind me.
Although sometimes it doesn't want to go backwards. Huh. There we go.
I am in position.
Okay.
All right, are we ready?
Oh yeah.
All right, taking off.
That's so crazy. That was incredible.
Back around.
Okay.
We'll start kind of way down
Okay.
Just come low and slow for you. That was awesome. Can you keep up?
This is my full bore. I guess kinda, yeah.
Yeah, you're keeping up. Barely. If I give it any semblance of acceleration, though, you're gone.
Yep.
Cars don't fly. Coming across the field again, low and slow.
Okay.
Yeah, he's coming in for the chase. Ooh, back close to that truck.
Yeah.
You know what would be cool?
What's that?
See if you could get like directly under my tail.
I can try. Yeah, as long as you can go like as slow as possible.
Yes. I'm gonna go very, very slow.
All right, and obviously I'll be on the ground all the time, so.
We are very slow. Borderline stalling.
That's crazy. Hang on, don't take it. Oh yeah, you're good. You're good. I was just gonna look at you. Yeah, you're good. What's that? Absolutely, anytime. Yeah.
They taking off?
Yep.
They were here for a while.
They were, yeah.
How good is the long-range view on that camera? Like, can you see me when I'm way over in the other side of the field?
I could if it wasn't really bright. Like it's.
Oh no!
What?
My landing gear just collapsed. No way! Dude, I just barely bumped the ground and my gear collapsed.
Ah. Are you just on that far corner? What? The spring snapped? Huh. Oh, there you go. What do you think? It's just like a little too cold for it and it just snapped, or what?
Johnny, take a look. The actual spring just snapped.
Ugh. Oh wow. That just came clean off. Huh. That's pretty wild. Huh. Okay.
At least I got an extra spring weight at home.
Yeah, that's nice. You think that's an omen?
Yeah, it must be.
Yeah. Sweet. Everything. I know. Well, this camera in particular, a really cool part about it is that it's got built-in stabilization. So when I go to edit it, I can turn up how smooth it is, because it does get a little rocky as I'm like driving, but it zooms in a little bit and stabilizes it. So when I was underneath you or as you were flying by, it should be like rock solid. It's super cool.
How cinematic were those shots when you were like right under?
I'd say very. Like I was able to keep right underneath, and then even if you swayed or I swayed, I could just like look and correct. So like steering with one hand,
just follow it with the camera.
It was just like, it was really cool.
That was awesome. We got to do this again.
Yeah. Hopefully when it's a little warmer, because I'm sitting here like controlling it, like my fingers are so cold.
I might do one more flight with the Cherokee here.
All right, I will just watch, because I've spent